Vlogmas, day 14. I did not want to wake up today, but here I am. Did I lock my door? Let's go work out. Okay, workout's done. We are actually going to Kimmy's, my favorite breakfast place almost ever. And we're going for Lori's birthday that was yesterday. And so you'll finally get to see what's in here.
Wine bottles.
Right, yeah, totally.
That's really cute.
I've never seen those. That's so cute.
Yes.
Look at all that.
Wow.
Fun.
It's a little popper.
That is
cute.
so cute.
What is it? Oh, I love this. Those are my favorite.
I know.
Rose champs.
Ooh.
Oh, cute. It smells really good.
Isn't it?
I feel like that would be really cute to use after the candle's gone to put stuff in.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it would be. Like a little.
Yeah. I love the Gillespie jars that are like that.
We always save them. We always do. We reuse
Yes.
them.
Yeah. I put like bobby pins and stuff in there.
Yeah. That would be a cute one to save.
Yeah. Earrings and stuff. Oh my god. Did you buy this in Vegas?
Oh my god.
I did buy it in Vegas.
Cute one.
It's connected to a tanker.
Oh my gosh, what is that?
That is so pretty. Oh, I love it. Thank you.
That looks
Welcome.
Sadie, do you want to go to dog park? Do you want to go to dog park, Sadie? Sadie, you want to go to dog park? Yeah? You want to go? Okay, let's go. You're already sitting. Good girl. Good girl. Let's go to dog park. Let's go.
Okay, so this is interesting. This woman just walked in. She doesn't have a dog, but she has 2 empty water bottles. So is she filling these up at the dog park and then taking them with her? This is interesting. Of course, Sadie's got to investigate too, just like Mama. Sadie, stay here. What are you doing, baby girl? What is she doing is more like it. Let's see where she goes, huh? Perfect timing. Thanks, Sadie. I guess that's one way to get free water, so you don't have to pay for it. I mean, talk about being thrifty. Good for her, I guess. So she's walking around the entire park. She's stopping now for the second time. I'm so confused. Now she's like playing with the dog at the gate. Through the gate, I should say. Ooh, and she's on the move again. See? This person has a dog. That person does not have a dog. It's weird. So she walked all the way around. Oh, third break. I don't know why she keeps taking a break. And there she goes. I have a feeling she might be homeless. Well, thanks for the entertainment. Hey, little buddy. What's going on? You having fun?
Oh my gosh, you just lay down instantly. You are so funny on the cool tile, huh? You want me on the cool tile? Did you, good girl? I'm hoping now that she's all tuckered out, I can finish the dishes, the laundry, and edit the video I need to do for tomorrow. So, you stay tired, okay? Okay. I just made some avocado toast for lunch. I'm so excited with 1 egg. I was gonna do 2 eggs, but Matt likes to have 4 eggs in the morning, and there's only 4 left now, so I just did 1. I'm such a nice wifey. But I just did a little bit of salt, pepper, lemon juice, and mashed up the avocado. Sprinkled on some everything bagel seasoning, and I'm stoked. Looks so good. And also, I did cut off the crust because I'm fancy, and if I'm gonna eat bread, crust isn't really my favorite, so I'm not gonna eat it. And plus, it just looks more fancy. I've just been working on the video that's gonna come out tomorrow. Tomorrow's Vlogmas, if you will. But I'm trying to be quiet because Matt's already sleeping. Shh. I'm tired too. I think I might take a shower and go to bed and just finish it tomorrow.